from this new video, it is available couple of candidate age, nationality and vaccination detail as well as for the current location. From this mass detail, you want to pull out only for the selected candidate with the help of vlookup. That is what we are going to look over here. Okay, from here, for the example I have given for only 11 candidate. Okay, we require to identify only for couple of candidate, only 5 candidate detail we are going to pull out for all the detail, age, nationality and vaccination and current location in a one stitch. That means called multiple criteria from the vlookup. So that is what we are going to look over here, how we can pull out. Okay, because as per the order, name is not available as per the order which we are looking for the vlookup. Okay, Radha is first. While you are looking from the vlookup, it is not available, Radha will be the first name. As the same way, Nikita, if you're looking here, see here, Nikita is not a first name, Radha will be the first name. So whatever the name you required, you want to pull out the respective detail, in a sense what is a formula you need to use it. That is what we are going to look over here with this vlookup formula. So what you need to do, go to vlookup. Okay, and from there you can click for the formula bar. Okay, vlookup things, Nikita, you want to identify for the age, nationality, vaccination and current location. What is a heading you are giving here? As the same heading should be appear in the that is in your mass detail also. If it is a second column will be the age, then it should be second. I have given for the field number, that is first, second, third, fourth. Same should be appear while you are searching also. That's very important. You can click from the age, vlookup. The lookup value will be Nikita. Nikita, age, nationality, vaccination and current location only you are identifying here. So lookup value will be Nikita. The special reference you need to make it as Nikita. That's the reason you are marking as dollar symbol, $B5. Okay, so you're locking that respective cell. That's the reason you are marking for $5. And where you are getting all the detail, you are getting the detail from detail tab. That means mass detail, where you are keeping. If you are keeping from the another workbook, that one you need to select, because I am keeping same workbook, different sheet. Okay, so I am selecting as a whole table from serial number 2 until 11. That means for F14. Okay, I have selected for whole table and I am locking the cell for B3. That is B3 for candidate, right? I am locking for the candidate each one of their names as well as for the field. That's the reason I am locking $B and $3. If you're fixing that respective cell, then you need to use for special reference of dollar is to F14. Okay, and comma, column. Which column? That is column 2 formula will be there. You need to use it here for columnist, COLUMNS. Okay, if you are using for EN, it will not appear proper formula, so definitely you need to use for columnist, yes, formula. Then again you need to select for detail, go to detail tab. You need to select only for 2 area, that is candidate as well as for the age. If you are selecting only for candidate and age, candidate will be B3 and C4. C4. You are selecting for 2. B3 to C4 you need to select. B3 will be a special reference. That's the reason you are locking. Very important. That is special reference which you are locking. Where you are locking, that is very important. Then only you will fetch for all detail. Then comma will be 0. The exact match should be required. That's the reason we are marking as 0 and close the bracket. Once done, it will appear like this. Then track the respective thing and track it down also. Automatically it will appear for all candidate detail in a one click. This is very helpful for each and every corporate people. You can go there for Nikita, 22 United Kingdom, done Abu Dhabi. Go there, check it, 22 United Kingdom, done Abu Dhabi. So right now it is correct. This is a way you can pull out detail, as well as detailed explanation also I have given in my blog. Okay, you can go through over there. I will give in the description also. This is a way for a bulk detail. From here I have given only for couple of example. Okay, if you are keeping for 100 or 1000 number of data, if you're pulling out for 100 number of data, in a sense this will be very helpful for you. as well as for the marketing analyst, data analyst. They oftenly use this channel, oftenly use this detail also, vlookup function. Okay, if you want to identify step-by-step guidance I have posted already for vlookup function, you can go to gaintoearn.blogspot.com, go to tech tricks. If it is not available first post, okay, what you need to do, go to tech tricks and select for excel, then you can go for vlookup function. Okay, because sometimes I will post for more detail, that's the reason it will not appear in the index page. So this is a way you can go to excel, in a sense automatically it will appear. So what you need to do, you can follow for the blogspot also. From there I will post. If there is any doubt, you can leave a comment over there, I will help you out. Okay, I think this information will be very helpful for you. If it is helpful, please you can subscribe this channel, as well as you can share to your friends, and go through my blog also. All the information will be very useful for you. Please leave a comment over there, it will be very helpful for me to do more video on it. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.